how's everybody doing out there? I'm just popping on here really quick because I am going to do a makeup application with Beautycounter tonight. I am ready to go. Actually, I'm going live on Amazon Live at 7, and I had to put on some makeup. So I'm like, I'm jumping on my Facebook and I'm going to do a live there. So if you guys haven't heard about Flawless in 5, it's pretty amazing. It is makeup from Beautycounter Cosmetics. So is the lighting okay here? Let me just see here. Do I need more light? Okay, Patti, don't fart around with this because maybe there. Oh, there, that's better. Okay, so it is makeup from Beautycounter, and if you don't know anything about Beautycounter, it is clean makeup. Their makeup is lovely. It's beautiful. And you guys know I'm a Saint artist. I love Saint, and it is a go-to makeup for me. But this makeup is lovely as well. It's a different concept, and I just want to show you guys what it's about. I love that it's clean. It feels really light on the skin. It is not a heavy makeup. So if you're really conscious of that kind of thing, this might be the makeup for you. Oh, wow. I'm really looking at myself going, wow, this is not good tonight. But you know, what the hell. Okay, so Flawless in 5 consists of 5 products. So you get to choose between our Skin Twin foundation and our tinted moisturizer. So you choose between those two. Whatever type of coverage you like is what you will choose. So I am going to choose Skin Twin foundation tonight. I'm using the color 340. And yeah, it's really quite easy. Like I said, their makeup is super clean. It goes on really lovely. I moisturized, did all that jazz beforehand. I'm going to use a sponge to apply. You can use your hand. You can use a brush if you choose. Whatever, it's up to you. I like a sponge. I like a brush too, but I find with this type of foundation, I really like a sponge for pushing into my skin. So I find it very easy to blend. It's super blendable. We have like over 60 shades to choose from. It's quite extensive. And there's like a little quiz that you do online. And of course, I'm here to help you if you need help choosing a color. But it's not complicated at all. What I love about this makeup, and it's much the same as what I love about Saint, is it feels so light. Like you're not wearing anything. So that's really cool. Okay, so foundation on. I'm really rushing here tonight. I still have excess, so you guys can tell a little bit goes a long ways, but I have this neck that's always, you know, an issue for me. So I'm going to apply down my neck a bit more on my chin. And if you had areas that you wanted to conceal, you would go in and conceal. I'm not doing any concealing tonight, although I do have areas that need to be concealed. But instead of buying concealer, so the next step is concealer. Instead of buying concealer to cover areas, I bought my concealer 2 shades lighter, or a couple shades lighter actually, and I'm going to use it to brighten my face, kind of like I do with my Saint makeup. And I'm just going in like this. Again, this is lovely. One thing I should have mentioned about the foundation is it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is amazing for your skin, especially mature skin. So really good. Okay. I guess that's it. Now I'm going back in with my sponge, and make sure that when you're using your sponge that it's definitely damp. I find a lot of women are really surprised by the fact that they don't realize that their sponge needs to be damp. So you need to rinse it underwater, and then you literally squeeze it till you can't get anything else out of it. And that is when your sponge is ready to be used. You don't want it to be putting water on your face at all, but you also don't want it to be dry. It's going to work best if it's slightly damp. Okay. I don't know if you guys saw, I did a post actually a couple days ago. I did an application with Beautycounter, and it was lovely. And I got in the sun and I was like, oh my God, this looks really awesome. Because you know how when you get in natural light or different lighting, it looks completely different? Okay, so that was step 2. So yes, you will go through, you will pick your concealer color, which will be appropriate for, you know, your skin, what it is you're going to be using it for. If you're covering line, or, you know, discoloration under your eyes, anything like that, I can definitely give you a hand with that. Or you can just read about it online and make that call yourself. Okay, so that's 2 pieces of the puzzle. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with our brow gel. So this stuff is really slick. I love it. My brows are microbladed, especially on the ends where I have very little hair. But I still use my brow gel just to color it in. Even though my brows are microbladed, I still fill in my brows every day because I find, well, they fade, right, over time. So you can see just doing that one, the difference between this brow and that brow. So our brow gel, not only does it have hold, sorry, I gotta look over my mirror because I don't know why I decided to start doing makeup. Honestly, I freaking can't see without glasses and I can't wear contacts. So it's really a challenge. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna fill in my tail here a bit with my brow gel. But what I was saying is our brow gel has the ability to hold your brows up, which everybody's wanting fluffier brows these days. And it also comes colored. So I think there's like maybe 5 or 6 options, including a clear. So if you don't want any color, but you just want your brows lifted, you can definitely use the clear. And I know that the clear works really great if you're somebody that likes to go in and powder your brows, like you like that powdered brow look. A lot of women like to go in with clear and then finish off, you know, it holds everything on really, really nice. Okay. Am I looking okay here? I'm looking all right, right? That's number 3. And then the 4th step here, I forgot actually that we call it Flawless in 5 because it always was 5 pieces of makeup, but it's actually 6 now. So you're getting more bang for your buck, honestly. Okay, I'm just going in and curling my lashes a bit. I always curl my lashes prior to doing my mascara. And I'm going in with our Think Big mascara. This is one of our best-selling items at Beautycounter. There is absolutely no carbon black in this mascara, and carbon black is the dangerous product in mascara. It's all the controversy. So, you know, if you're conscious of that, or, you know, you're somebody that has sensitive eyes or allergies, anything like that, women love it. But you know what? Honestly, I don't have any of those issues, but I like this mascara. I find it lifts nicely. It applies nicely. It doesn't leave like a chunky, you know, I can layer it and it doesn't go chunky on my eyebrow or on my eyelashes. Yeah, it's really nice. Again, no glasses, so I just hope that this is all going on all right. And I feel so rushed. Like, what was I thinking when I thought that I could come on and do a live prior to doing another live? I have to do another live at 7. But you know what? I knew I had to throw some makeup on, and I'm like, well, shit, what the hell? I might as well go live. And Libby has to get to dance in like 10 minutes. So, yeah, I'm going to do that too. Throw that into the mix. Okay, so I'll do a little bit on my lower lash. I don't really do a lot of mascara on my lower lash, to be quite honest. And that didn't go well. And I find that I also, I just do a lot less on my eyes as I've aged. I guess because they're kind of getting smaller, or like, I don't know what the deal is. Sorry guys, I'm looking down, but I managed to get mascara on. I'm only human like all women, and I got mascara on my lower lid, of course. That's not my lower lid, is it? I'm rushing. Okay, nice. Let's see if I can get this off a bit. Nothing major. Okay, mascara done. So then if you wanted like you know, more mascara, then you would just go in. That's the nice thing about this mascara is you can layer it, and it's great for layering. And remember, like, the whole key with this product line, and this is why I love Beautycounter so much, is everything they stand for. I mean, everything they make is healthy and good for your skin. They're really strict about ingredients. I mean, this company is, you know, making big changes to the beauty industry. I mean, it's a hugely unregulated industry, and Beautycounter is making sure that they do their part to change all that. So I love them, and I have never used such clean, good products that deliver the results that their products do. So, I mean, that says something, right? I mean, they're pretty popular. So now I'm going in with my cream blush. You guys know I love cream makeup. And their cream blush is really, really pretty. Now, the one that I'm using here tonight is a little bit light for me, but it's the one that I had handy. So I'm just going in with my finger, and I'm just going to just swipe on the apples of my cheeks, just like that. And it blends really, really pretty. You guys can see that. Like everything about this makeup, I just feel really, even when I have it on and I'm done, I just feel really healthy and kind of, you know, like I'm not overdone. So if you're somebody that's, you know, I mean, there's a lot of beautiful makeup out there. Trust me, I know. But if you want the feeling of feeling like you're not overdone and you don't like the cakey, you know, makeup look, and you just want to polish things out and you're conscious about what you're putting on your skin, this is the makeup you need to be using. So that was my 5th product. Now I will go in with, I'm going to do a little bit of lip, and I am using, what color am I using? I'm going to stick my glasses on here. So this is Plum, and this is our Sheer Genius lip color. Oh, wow. Could I ever see myself a lot better with my glasses on? So yes, you get your choice of color with Sheer Genius. And again, we also have a clear, so completely up to you. Just like silk, putting this stuff on, honestly, all of it. This is one of my favorite colors, actually. Plum. Can take my hair down out of that clip there. So that's it. I did my makeup. Look how quickly I did my makeup. I did my makeup in what was that, 5-10 minutes? I'm pretty sure Libby's not going to yell at me. She's probably ready to go. But that's how quickly you can use this makeup. That's how easily it's done. You get those 5 pieces. There's 2 different prices, of course, American and Canadian price, but it's around 200 and I don't know. I'm going to guess. I should have known this before I jumped on here. Probably about 230 bucks Canadian to start with all those pieces. So it gives you a complete makeup application. Honestly, it's really, really good. Like, I think it's a great investment. I'm going to put a little more brightener here because I just feel like I need it. And if you want to check it out, I've linked it below. You just have to click on the link and go to our makeup section and click on Flawless in 5. And you have full control out of all the colors you want to choose. You have lots of options. We have a big Christmas or like Black Friday sale going on. Although I don't want to say that it applies to the Flawless in 5 collection. I think if you were buying everything separately, you would get a discount, but I might be wrong on that. I haven't even looked at it. That's how unorganized I am about going live tonight. Okay, I can see my kid is probably waiting for me, but so that is it, guys. If you're interested, check it out. It's beautiful makeup. It's easy to do. Super, super healthy. It's really, really good. If you guys aren't doing anything tonight, catch me on my Amazon Live. I've linked that below as well. And I'm doing, it's a random kind of shit show tonight. I got a bunch of stuff. I was on a green sweater haul. So I got a bunch of green sweaters. I need your opinion as to which ones I'm keeping. I have some bamboo pillows and a scrubber that I absolutely love that is on sale for Black Friday. So you might want to check it out. I hope to see you over there. Okay, thanks for joining me. Talk to you guys later. Ciao.